Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the crankshaft pulley on Chrysler and Jeep with a 2.8 CRD engine. The car that I'm going to be replacing the crankshaft pulley on is a Chrysler Grand Voyager with a 2.8 liter CRD diesel engine. We can see the serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. You don't need to remove the wheel to gain access to the crankshaft pulley, only the cover that's covering the crankshaft. But in my case I'm going to remove the wheel so that I can give you a better view of how to remove the serpentine belt and the crankshaft pulley. You're going to need to remove this cover in order to get access to the crankshaft. I'm also going to remove this wheel arch liner so that I can get a better view, but again, in your case you don't need to remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now we have access to the serpentine belt and the crankshaft pulley. This is the serpentine belt. We need to remove the serpentine belt by using a wrench size 15 and turn the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the belt. So we're turning the tensioner clockwise and you can see how the belt is getting loose, and that's the belt out. And now we can remove the belt. Now that the belt is removed, I can remove the crankshaft pulley. The crankshaft pulley is held by 4 bolts. I'm going to remove them and then just pull out the crankshaft pulley. That's the crankshaft pulley out. Now we can replace it with a new one and put it back on the same way. Next we're going to tighten the bolts. After we tighten the bolts for the crankshaft pulley, we can start putting on the serpentine belt. Here is a diagram of exactly how the serpentine belt should go around the pulleys, and now we can start putting the serpentine belt on. Here on top we're going to put the serpentine belt on the alternator pulley, and then we're going to put it on the tensioner and the AC compressor from the bottom. We're going to turn the tensioner clockwise as long as possible. This way there is going to be enough space so that we can put on the serpentine belt on all pulleys. And that's how it's done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.